Okay, my curlies, you know what time of year it is. It's time for the pond. So here you go, the pond. And so it begins, my curlies. But this is the first time the fish have been moving around. We have a lot less fish than last year. There they go. My little baby. This is the first time they've all been up at the surface. And before I started vacuuming, you could actually see all the way to the bottom. Maybe you can, just not as clearly. Cattails and fish. And I took this clean water shot for you before I muck it up by taking out all of the leaves in the algae that's already in the stream. But so far everything is working. This is my daughter's tree that my parents planted when she was born 22 years ago. It's a pear tree here. And the waterfall. The water's clear, so I'm happy. My mother's wisteria has already bloomed and it smells delicious. It is holding up the arbor that my father built a very long time ago. This is my busy season. Now I'm sure I have a scotch at this point in the cleaning process, so I am going to wish you well and say cheers and ciao for now.